In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Forms responses as a PDF. This is incredibly useful when you need to keep offline records of survey responses, share results in a more professional format, or simply archive your data for future reference. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, go ahead and open your web browser of choice. Once it's up and running, navigate to forms.google.com. This is the home page for Google Forms, where all your forms live. If you haven't signed in yet, you will need to do that now. Make sure you enter the credentials for the Google account that has access to the form responses you're looking to save. This step is really important, as you can't save responses from forms that your current account doesn't own or doesn't have access to. After you log in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms, which displays all the forms you've created or those that you have access to. Take a moment to browse through this list and locate the specific form whose responses you want to convert into a PDF. Once you've found your form, click on it. This action will open up the form editor, where you can view all the details and settings associated with that form. Now you might notice a toolbar at the top. This toolbar has several tabs. What you want to focus on right now is the Responses tab. Go ahead and click on it. By clicking on the Responses tab, you'll switch your view from the form editor to the Responses overview. Here, you'll find summaries of the data collected from all your form participants, as well as the individual responses and various options for managing your data. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Responses panel. You should see a three-dotted menu icon. It might be a little easy to overlook, but it's a key step in the process. Click on this three-dotted menu icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select the Print option. Once you select Print, your browser will open the Print dialog window. Now this is an important step, as we are going to convert our responses into a PDF instead of sending them to an actual printer. So when the Print dialog appears, look for the Destination section. This is typically located near the top of the dialog box. Now, you'll see a drop-down menu next to the Destination option. By default, this might show your connected printer. What you want to do is click on that drop-down menu and change it from the list of options. You should see the option labeled Save as PDF. Go ahead and select that. This switches the print command into a file-saving operation instead. Finally, it's time to wrap things up. Click on the Save button. When you do this, your browser will prompt you to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to store the PDF file. Select your preferred folder, and if you want, you can also give the file a descriptive name that will help you recognize it later. Once you've made your selections, confirm your choice. Now, give the system a few seconds to generate that PDF file from your Google Forms.